Next dish, got back. Gang done got down to this sweet dash. If you know better, don't see me in the flesh, don't make man leak. Man do shit for the gram and tweet, man rise that shit and ski. How many? Let's see. Man could've put it on the net when gang done chinged up. And the bros didn't leave her. Man just left it to the media. They say I took an L and L, but with a W and W. Anything green get wild, then oh nah. No bell. Anything excellent finish, most.
That's the macaroni. That one stays on me. Stays on me.
This is the owner of
Hello, Seafood. Welcome you all. My name is Blackie. We're in business for 30 years and we do the largest seafood menu in the whole Caribbean. We cook up to 75 seafood dishes. So, welcome to Little Chicken.
Okay, thank you for having us.
Yeah, the small one.
Seven six nine two zero six four four one and 876-920-053 and 876-920-6441. You can also listen to us
So hi guys, this is our chef for this evening. Taste to the bone.
download the Google Store as well as the Apple Store. And you can also
Okay,
listen
thank
to
you.
us via one.
I hope it's very tasty.
Well, you're gonna tell me about it. When you enjoy it, when you finish, you're gonna tell me about it.
Says Merry Christmas
Okay,
to everybody.
thank
Plum.
Okay, this is the brown stewed fish with steamed bami. This is a small one for me,
like that. But this time we're going to talk about the regular
This is the huge
round of Olympic qualifiers.
And this is the fried plantain.
Fish.
I'm going with the Irish first.
Hello? Hello, Hello.
Let's go in and take some of the fish
Alright, thank you.
with the gravy.
Oh, you ever tried? Oh, we have any next up?
Absolutely.
It's very nice.
Canada.